You know, a squared plus b squared equals c squared? I bet you thought it was something you'd only ever use in math class. Think again. Can you connect the Pythagorean theorem to something in the real world? How about this? Aurora has a 13-foot ladder. She leans the ladder against the shed so she can paint. How far up the wall will the ladder reach if she puts its base 5 feet from the shed? I already gave you a hint that we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Got any ideas about how that might work? Could you use a model to show what you're thinking? Yes, you can and should. Drawing a model in this situation is very helpful. The model allows you to visualize the problem. You can see that the ladder, the shed, and the ground form the 3 sides of a right triangle. The angle the shed makes with the ground is 90 degrees. Remember, the ladder is 13 feet long. Label the ladder C since it is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Label the distance from the shed to the base of the ladder A. Aurora wants to know how far up the wall the ladder will reach. To solve the problem, we need to find out the length of the leg of the triangle, which is the distance from the ground to the top of the ladder. Label this side B. We know the lengths of the hypotenuse and one of the legs of the triangle, so we can substitute them for A and C in the Pythagorean theorem. So 5 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. Now let's solve for b. 5 squared is 25, and 13 squared is 169. Subtract 25 from each side. B squared equals 144. Take the square root of both sides. So b equals 12. We found that Aurora's ladder will reach 12 feet up the wall if she puts its base 5 feet from the shed. You've learned a lot about how to apply math to